What's up you guys, Default Power 12 here, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to become Andrew Tate in GTA 5 Online and create his Bugatti, his famous orange one. So let's get into the video. Nice. Alright, so where you going to go, right guys? You're gonna go, this is for Andrew Tate, you're gonna go over here to this clothing store. Once you're there, you're gonna get out and you're gonna go inside. Oops, that's not the one.
I'm here to help you.
Now you're gonna go to the shirts. Where are they? So what you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna go into suit jackets and you go to this one right here, beard scruffy jacket. You're gonna get that one, okay? And that should have that look. Yeah, and then next what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to the pants. Actually, we'll go to shoes. Now you go to smart shoes. Where are they? You go down here, and then you go charcoal tip Oxfords to get the shoes. And to get the pants, you're gonna go here. You're gonna go to fitted suit pants, I think. Is it? Oh no, wait, I think it's fitted suit pants. Yep, so you're gonna do grey skinny suit pants for the next step. Okay, and to get the glasses, we're gonna have to go to the other clothing store. I'll show you. Okay, you're gonna go here to this clothing store right here. Okay guys, once you're there, you're gonna park right here and go into the suburban store. Alright, you're gonna go to the glasses stand and you're gonna go to the avatar, this one here. Yep, there it is. Okay, you're gonna get the gold avatars, and that's supposed to be the glasses for him. And then to get the look of his shaved head and his beard, I'll show you that as well. Where is it? And you're gonna go to this place right here because it's right there. Stop here. Oh my god, bro, you just hit my Bugatti. Yeah, you better be there. Alright, so you're gonna go into here and go right here. Okay, so you're gonna go on hairstyles and have just a close shave, like, because I'm pretty sure that's the best you can do on GTA 5 Online, unless I'm wrong. And then for beards, you're just gonna do the trimmed beard, like you don't want it too big, but like too small. Yeah, pretty much. That's pretty much what you need to do for the beard. Okay, let's get to the Bugatti now. So you're gonna drive this guy, this car, right over, where's the closest, yeah, there it is. Okay, so you're gonna drive in here. Yep.
best mechanic in LS do for you?
Now let's just repair this car first. Look at it. Now don't tell me that doesn't look like the top G's Bugatti. Okay, so for armor you're just gonna do armor upgrade 80%. Yeah, that's not really that important, but brakes, just race brakes. Bumpers, you're gonna do plastic splitter. It goes with it. I think it goes good with his car. And then this is not really that important, but you can choose what one you want. Engine, you're gonna do the level 3, so you got some speed. Exhaust, doesn't really matter. Explosive, no. Grill, yes. Have a black grill. The orange ones just don't look good with it. The hood. The best one I could find, you can't find any like flat ones. You're gonna get the secondary sports vents, okay? Horn, doesn't matter. Lights. If you want like underglows, I know Andrew Tate's Bugatti doesn't have underglows, I don't think. But like, you just put some orange underglows if you want. And then, for this, doesn't really matter, if I'm being honest. I like it with the stroke, but like, it looks better with none. Actually, I'll just do none. It looks more like his car. There we go. And then that, you just get full coverage and other things. Plates. Black looks the best. White and blue just don't look good at all. Just stay with black. Respray. Okay, the spray primary color you're gonna do classic, I think. No, that's not right, is it? Wait, is it? No, I think it's metallic. Yeah, it's metallic. Yeah, you're gonna do sunset red for both of them, so you get that like little like orange look to his car. I think it's the same for for this one. Yeah, okay. So you're gonna do sunset red. Roll cage. It's not really that important. And yeah. By the way, side medals. Yeah, that doesn't really matter. Spoiler. Oh, that's still a lot. Alright, spoiler. Just do the normal race spoiler. It's one of the best ones, really. Trim. Just do secondary trim. Turbo. Oh, I don't unlock that yet. Crap. I better unlock that. Yeah, you can do one if you want. It doesn't really matter. Wheels. I don't remember. It doesn't really matter what wheels you do, but like, you just choose whatever you want. These are the ones I chose. I can't be bothered looking for all of them. Windows, just have limo windows, tinted. Yeah. By the way, this Bugatti I got from the casino resort from Daily Rewards, from the wheel. But you can I'll show you. You can buy a Bugatti real similar to this. I'll show you. You get your phone out, you go down to the blue website thing. You go into... No, you don't go to that one. This one here, Legendaries. And then you go to two doors. And then you go to Bugatti. Let me find it for you guys. There it is, right here, on sale. This one here. It's pretty much, it is the same thing I've got, but instead I got it for free. And this was like a few months ago. So right now it's on sale for 1,600,000. So I suggest you guys buy it if you are an Andrew Tate fan, like me. But anyways, yeah. That's pretty much all you have to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And what the hell just happened? You joking? Alright, whatever. Like and subscribe. See you next video. I hate this guy. He just blew up my Bugatti!